Today, I'm turning a simple rock into a sparkling galaxy using a magnetic nail polish, and it's easier than you think. If you love sparkle, shimmer, and a little creative experimenting, you're gonna love this galaxy rock. First, we need to base coat the rock black, so we have a nice dark background for our galaxy. And then I'm gonna take my soapstone pencil and just line out some kind of squiggly lines on both sides of the rock where this magnetic nail polish is gonna go. So this was something Santa brought to me. May have been on my list, but you can see right here, dragging the magnet across the bottle, you can already see how the shimmer moves. So it means there's tiny little metal pieces inside of the nail polish that react to the magnet. So we're gonna try putting this on the rock. I'm gonna just kind of paint it on, and this is not a gel polish. A lot of magnetic polishes are gel polishes. I thought it was, but it's not. It's just regular nail polish. So that means you do have to kind of move quickly to get it on the rock and then use the magnet before it starts to dry. And the instructions say that the longer you hold the magnet over the polish, the more of the effect that you'll get. So you can already see it's kind of an iridescent polish, and then you're gonna watch. You can see all those tiny little shimmers moving with the magnet. So this is pretty fun and therapeutic in and of itself. Just kind of watching that shimmer move and sparkle, and it kind of sizzles sort of like the homemade watercolor paints, but it is nail polish. And on the other side of this rock, I'm going to try it a little differently. I'm going to do kind of a stripe that's about the width of the nail polish brush, and I'm just going to do stripes at a time. Do a stripe and then do the magnet, do a stripe and then do the magnet, and see if we get any kind of different look from it. That also will allow me to get the magnet on there before the nail polish is already starting to dry, and I'm wondering if it'll create some kind of interesting lines in the design. I will give the caveat that if you are sensitive to a nail polish smell and you don't love that, this might not be something you want to try. It definitely made my area smell like nail polish because this is going on thicker and in a larger area than if it was going on your fingernails. So it definitely created a smell in the area. That might be something you need to be aware of. But if you can ventilate your space, this is pretty worth it, because look at how pretty this is. Look at all the dimension and the different colors that show up there. Now I'm going to take a dotting tool and one of my detail nail art brushes to create some very pretty sparkly stars. So I put down a dot, and then I'm going to drag my nail brush in all four directions from the middle of the dot out and create the start of our star. And then I'm gonna go back in and kind of turn that dot into more of a diamond shape by kind of connecting it between each of the four lines and kind of making it more diamond shaped. I am just using white paint for that. I forgot to mention that, but so I'm gonna connect all of those pieces and make the circle more into a diamond, and then I'm gonna take the nail brush and drag it out from the center in four shorter lines that go in between our four longer lines, and you have a beautiful little sparkling star. And I'm just going to repeat this process until we have 3 sparkling stars on our rock. Now I'm going to take a silver Uniball Signo gel pen. These are really good for writing as well on smooth rocks, and this is a pretty smooth rock, and I'm going to write, "You are out of this world." So I'm going to do a mix of print and script. So I'm going to do outa and world in script and the other words in print. And on the script, I'm going to go back through and thicken up my downstrokes to give that faux calligraphy look. And this pen really flows nicely. It does help that it's a smooth rock. If it's a bumpy rock, that makes it a little more difficult. And of course, a galaxy rock needs more sparkle. So we're going to take some extreme hologram glitter paint and take that dotting tool and make a dot of the glitter paint in the middle of each of our stars, and then just kind of drag that out to the edges of our sparkly points with the detail nail art brush. And you do want to make sure you clean your brush really well in between stars. on this so that the glitter doesn't gunk up your brush. That can happen if you're not careful, and then it makes it really hard to use these detail nail art brushes. And after we get this sparkle on, I'm going to pull out my Full Spectrum Dragonfly Glaze, and we're going to add some more sparkle. So we're going to give kind of an outline to the magnetic nail polish. I'm using a disposable eyeliner brush. It's thin enough for this. And I'm just going to create an outline where the magnetic nail polish meets the black. And then I'm also going to add some accents in kind of where you see some of the lines in the magnetic nail polish. I'm going to add some of the Dragonfly Glaze too. So it's going to be almost kind of hidden sparkle, and I'm hoping once we get resin on there, it will just pop and you'll have lots of sparkle and shimmer showing all over this design. I feel like Galaxy rocks are getting to become a New Year's theme on the channel, because I feel like last year or the year before I also made a Galaxy themed rock right after New Year's. I must just still be stuck in the sparkle of the new year, and this is what I want to make. Who knows? But this was definitely a worthwhile experiment, because once resin got on here, holy cow, the sparkle just pops. I'm gonna have to do some research on some of the designs you can do with this magnetic polish, but I also made some other rocks with some different sayings just for fun, and I can't wait to hide these out in the community. I hope your new year is off to an amazing start. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.